Now let us learn about the mirror nuclei. In the mirror nuclei, we are considering the neighboring chemical elements. See here, in the example I have taken hydrogen and helium. Why? Because these are neighboring chemical elements. After the hydrogen, helium will come, and this carbon, nitrogen. After the carbon, nitrogen will come. So I have taken the neighboring chemical elements. In the mirror nuclei, we have to consider the neighboring chemical elements. See here, let's consider this hydrogen and helium as example. See here, it is the Z, that is atomic number, and it is A, that is atomic mass, and on the right subscript we will write the neutron number. Same for the helium also. Here Z value, here A value, and here is the N value. Here observe that in the hydrogen here is a Z and N, and for the helium here is also Z and N. So to differentiate between these two, I will write it as Z1 and N1 for the hydrogen. For the helium, I will write it as Z2 and N2. Now let us write the values. For the hydrogen, Z is 1 and 3. Here, that is A is 3. Neutron number is 3 minus 1 is 2. That is A minus Z is equals to N. That is 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. And for the helium, Z2 is 2. And the A is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 here. So now we have represented all the Z, N and A values. Now let us read the definition. Mirror nuclei or the nuclei where the number of protons of element 1. So here is the element 1. See here, number of protons of element 1 is equal to the number of neutrons of the element 2, that is N2. Here, number of protons, that is represented by Z. So Z1 is 1 in the element 1. So Z1 is 1 in the element 1, and it is equals to the number of neutrons in element 2. See here, for the helium, the number of neutrons is 1. So Z1 is equals to 1 in the element 1, and N2 value of element 2 is 1. So that means Z1 and N2 are equal. In the element 1, N1 is 2. That is neutron value is 2 in the element 1, and in the element 2, Z value, that is atomic number value is 2. That is Z2 is 2. That means N1 is equals to Z2. That means Z1 and N2 are equal, and N1 or Z2 are equal in the mirror nuclei. Now see here the definition. The mirror nuclei or the nuclei where the number of protons of element 1, that is Z1, is equals to number of neutrons of element 2, that is N2. That means Z1 and N2 are equal, and number of protons of element 2, that is Z2, and equals to the number of neutrons in element 1, that is Z2 is equals to N1. Here you can observe that it should have same mass number. Such type of nuclei will come under the mirror nuclei. So what are the conditions for the mirror nuclei? They should be neighboring chemical elements, and their mass number should be different, and number of protons of element 1 is equals to the number of neutrons of element 2, and number of protons of element 2 is equals to the number of neutrons in the element 1. That means Z1 is equals to N2. Z1 is equals to N2, and Z2 is equals to N1. This is for the mirror nuclei. Now let us consider another example. Let us consider carbon and nitrogen here. The first rule is such that they should be neighboring chemical elements. Carbon and nitrogen are neighboring chemical element. Yes. So next, they should have same mass number. See here, 13 and 13, they are having same mass number. Now it is Z1, 6 is Z1 and it is N1, neutron 1, and it is Z2 and N2. Here you can see Z1 and N2 are equal, that is Z1 is 6 and N2 is also 6, and N1 and Z2 are equal, N1 is 7 and Z2 is 7. So this example is also comes under mirror nuclei. Now coming to the another example, that is nitrogen and oxygen. These are neighboring chemical elements. Nitrogen and oxygen are neighboring chemical elements. See here, mass number is same for these two chemical elements. See here, it is the Z1 and it is N1. 15 minus 7 is 8 and 15 minus 8 is 7. So here is Z2 N2. So you can observe Z2 is equals to N2. Why? Because they are having same number, that is 7. N1 is equals to Z2. They are also same. Why? Because they are having the same value, that is 8. This also comes under the mirror nuclei. Now coming to the sodium and magnesium, these are the neighboring chemical elements. Here also you can observe that these are also obeying mirror nuclei, that is Z1 is equals to N2 and Z2 is equals to N1 in this sodium and magnesium, and they are having same mass number in this example. Now coming to the potassium and calcium, this is also a mirror nuclei. See here, it is the Z1, it is N1, it is Z2, it is N2. They are having same mass number, that is 39 and 39. Next, here Z1 is equals to N2, 19, 19, and N1 is equals to Z2, 20, 20. See here, 13 minus 19 is 20, neutron number is 20. 13 minus 20 is 19, that is neutron number is 19. It is A and it is Z. A minus Z is the neutron. So in this example also it is following the all the rules of mirror nuclei. So this also will come under the mirror nuclei. Important point is to remember that they should have same mass number. This is about the mirror nuclei.